Woodworking has always been a timeless craft, transforming raw materials into stunning pieces of art furniture. Whether you're an enthusiast or a seasoned artisan, creating perfect wood projects that balance function and beauty is a rewarding journey. Artistic furniture ideas have gained immense popularity in recent years, combining intricate wood models with innovative designs to craft one-of-a-kind masterpieces. These pieces often serve as focal points in any space, enhancing both its aesthetic and functional appeal. For example, handcrafted coffee tables, unique shelving units, and sculptural chairs are just a few examples of how wood can be transformed into true works of art. Historical furniture designs also inspire many wood enthusiasts today. From Victorian elegance to mid-century modern simplicity, these styles offer a glimpse into the past while seamlessly integrating with contemporary trends. By incorporating elements such as carved details, ornate patterns, and natural wood finishes, furniture makers can create pieces that pay homage to history while feeling fresh and relevant. Wood decoration plays a crucial role in enhancing the ambience of your home. Whether it's rustic wooden beams, artistic paneling, or minimalist wall-mounted accents, the warmth and versatility of wood make it a preferred choice for many interior designers. By experimenting with textures, stains, and finishes, you can create a personalized space that reflects your taste and creativity. Incorporating wood models into your artistic furniture projects allows you to test and refine designs before bringing them to life. These small-scale representations serve as blueprints, helping you visualize the final product and make adjustments to achieve perfection. Crafting perfect wood projects requires patience, skill, and a deep appreciation for the material. Each piece tells a story, blending historical inspiration with modern creativity. By exploring artistic furniture ideas and experimenting with wood decoration techniques, you can create timeless designs that captivate and inspire. Thank you for exploring the beauty of wood projects and artistic furniture with us. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment about your favorite furniture designs.